have very freaking sensitive skin. I swear, you sneeze on me, acne. You touch my face, acne. You look at me, acne. That's how my face is. So I was blessed with that. Hi there, thank you so much for joining me on this video where we will discuss skincare routine, pre-workout and post-workout, and we will also be discussing just a little of makeup and what to wear to the gym, how to do your makeup to the gym so that you're still maintaining a clear skin and looking fabulous. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we will do is wash our face, which I've already washed my face. So I did a gentle cleanser by Zoe Skin Health. Put some moisturizer on. So Zoe Skin Health, a daily power defense. It's not really a moisturizer. It's a power defense to restore your skin, but this is more of like a combination of a moisturizer and a toner. So I put that in my face. And then I did put the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. So I don't know if you can really tell, but like my under eye is glowing a little bit. If you were to see the before, you could definitely see the change, but you'll probably see how I look without it at the end of the video when we go post-workout. So the last thing that I will actually be putting on, because I forgot to put on, is the oil-free Elta NB Skincare UV Elements Broad Spectrum SPF 44. It's got moisturizing physical sunscreen, hyaluronic acid, transparent zinc oxide, UVA, UVB protection, and it's water resistant for 40 minutes. So now we're ready to go. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is erase that. It's a concealer. Honey Color by Maybelline. It's like my everyday one. Now my expensive one, I only use it when I go out, so at night, or I have a photo shoot or just something important, that's when I use my expensive one. But to go to the gym, come on, I'm gonna use my little cheap one, Maybelline. It works magic. I'm actually gonna try this one thing that I saw on TikTok that the guy was saying don't do the V because it drags down to your cheeks, but you don't want to expose your cheeks. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. So this is not how I've ever done it before. And I decided to try it when I'm making a video, right? So hopefully this works out for me. Okay, did it make a big difference? I don't know, maybe. I still feel like it's not covering over here. So I'm gonna add a little more because I'm still seeing that under eye. So that's it for the concealer. The next part is actually, I forgot, I like to add a little bit over here. Now, I'm not a makeup professional, so please don't judge how I'm doing this. I just like to add a little bit on there just like as a primer for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this type of brush. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the crepe, if that's how you say it, but it's this color, so I'll be using the crepe. Don't know if that's how you say it. I just wanna, this is probably what I would do. I don't really like to wear makeup to the gym. There's nothing wrong, ladies, with wearing makeup to the gym. I just have very freaking sensitive skin. I swear, you sneeze on me, acne. You touch my face, acne. You look at me, acne. That's how my face is. So I was blessed with that. I recently changed from the mask that you can wash to the reusable ones, and that's literally saved my face. I definitely didn't tell you the next step. So I did ECU. This color right here is not that different. It's not that different than this one, but it's still a little bit different, so it still counts, okay? Next up is the Prime Rose. So I'm gonna add a little pink, not a pimp. The next thing that I'm gonna do is my eyebrow, because if there's anything that a person should do, it's their eyebrows. I recently just chopped the ends of my eyebrows because I couldn't get to my eyebrow lady, and she noticed. Yeah, she was like, but you need to stop touching your eyebrows when you're not in here. Like, literally wait to come and see me. And I was like, yeah, but I went on vacation and I couldn't come and get my eyebrows done. So, you know, I figured it was just a little chop. She's like, yeah, no. I got both eyebrows outlined. Now you can clearly see the outline. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in. Okay, both eyebrows are filled in. Don't look at this little hole right here. Actually, picked at it on my own, so I'm gonna wait to see the eyebrow professional next time. So I'm just gonna add this little glue to them. Well, it's not, is it glue? Gel. adding this little gel to my eyebrows. Gel to my eyebrows, gel. That part is done. And then I'm gonna do the ColourPop brown eyeliner. Eyeliner is done, so the last thing that I will be doing is a eyelash curler and mascara. So last thing, mascara from Tarte, Man-Eater, and then this bad boy over here. Alrighty, that is it. The last thing that I would probably do is put a little bit of lip balm. I wouldn't probably put any lip gloss or lipstick just because I'm going to the gym and I'm gonna have to wear a mask. So like I said, this video is to prevent acne. Just make sure that you're keeping a clean face. Oh my God, how did I forget? So, last thing, Bare Minerals foundation. I've noticed that this one, even when I have a mask on, it does not give me acne. So this is the last thing that I'll go ahead and apply. We have reached the post-workout routine. What do? Repair our skin. We do this because we're at the gym, we're sweating, we got a lot of nasty germs, especially with that mask on, and you want to make sure that you're cleansing that shiz out. Cleansing it out. So first thing that we can use is the Gentle Cleanser by Zoe Skin Health. It doesn't get everything out because it is a gentle cleanser. So I do have to go through other things, but this is what works for my skin because it's super sensitive. So that's why I don't give up on this bad. Now, the other things that I was talking about that I use would be the micellar cleansing water. I do probably put a little bit on the pad, cleanse it out, and then I put my gentle cleanser over my face as like a dual cleanser type of routine. The next thing that I use is the Daily Power Defense Zoe Skin Health, and it's used as like a toner and a moisturizer. Now the third thing that I put on my face is the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. Gosh, when you see it on my face, you're gonna see like the instant glow that it gives you, and it's just like really like it. Now every 2 to 3 days I do change it up because these products that I'm about to mention, you can't really use every single day. They're meant to be used every 2 to 3 days because they're a little bit harsher than the ones that I previously mentioned. So the first one that I'm gonna go with is the Retinol 2% Exfoliating Scrub Mask. So this one actually says to use it for 10 minutes, and per my esthetician, I'm only supposed to be using this one 2 to 3 times a week. So that's why I don't use it every single night. So this is the Retinol 2%. This is, you wanna have retinol in your skincare routine. The other thing that I use is the Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing by Kiehl's. This one is an exfoliating as well, and it just kind of gives you that radiance. But you also only wanna use this one for probably like 2 times a week for 10 minutes as well. Now, the other one is a glycolic and retinol pads, a skin brightening pads, and they're from Skin Script. Really good pads. You want to make sure that you have some retinol in your skincare routine, like I said. And right now I have both of these from Skin Script. They've worked wonders, and my skin is really clearing up. I've always had acne issues, but as of right now, you can see that they're kind of clearing up. And I am having a chemical peel thing that we're doing with my esthetician, a good friend of mine. So we're trying to, take care of my skin. So the last thing that I will mention is Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pad by Tula. So they comes with 6 pads, and you're supposed to use a pad a week. So what does this do? This is exactly like the name. It's an instant facial. And by the time that you take it off, it feels like you literally just got a facial. It feels super soft. It just feels amazing. This is not to say that it's gonna replace your monthly facial that you should be getting with a professional, but this is kind of like that maintenance, like how you brush your teeth and floss before you go see your dentist, because you can't do the actual dental cleaning by yourself. You have to go to a professional. So that's kind of what this is doing. Now at this point, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure that you stay tuned for the next video.